Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all with good greetings. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Today, I will tell you about an ideal student. So listen to me carefully. This is interesting. An ideal student is a very rare these days. He has endless love for knowledge and pursues it for its own sake. He is very regular in his habits and does not neglect any of his duties towards God, man, and the state. He obeys his parents and teachers, respects his elders, and loves his younger brothers and sisters. He has a keen sense of his responsibilities. He is very punctual and takes care to do everything at its proper time. He does not indulge in idle gossip or frivolous pursuits. His time and energies are all devoted to the acquisition of knowledge and the formation of good habits. He gets up early in the morning because one who gets up early very late cannot make any satisfactory progress in studies. Satisfactory progress in studies. He takes a bath, says his prayers, reads the Holy Quran, has his breakfast, and begins his day's work with a set program. He reaches school or college in time, fully prepared with the previous day's lessons and ready to learn the new ones. He attends to what is explained by his teachers and professors. He tries to understand everything instead of cramming it up. An ideal student is one who is fully conscious of his duties and responsibilities. He paves the way for the younger generations. The students of today are the leaders of tomorrow. A nation can progress if the students have high ideals before them. A student who scores high marks is not necessarily an ideal student. He may set a new record in the school but can prove to be a total failure in his real life. An ideal student should be an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He is fearless and bold enough to face the trials and tribulations of life. An ideal student lives in accordance with the rules of conduct and discipline. This is the time of life when the foundation of character is laid. It has repeatedly been said that if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost, and if character is lost, everything is lost. A student without any sense of discipline is like a ship without a rudder. It sails adrift and never reaches the harbor. He must follow the rules of the school and ought to obey the orders of his teachers. He should select his friends intelligently and wisely. He must be fully conscious to ensure that no evil tempts him. He knows very well that a single rotten apple spoils the whole basket. An ideal student knows that he owes a lot to his parents. He never forgets to look after them. When he enters his adult life, he is a servant of humanity. He shares the worries and problems with the members of his family. He takes keen interest in social service. He should be active in finding out solutions to various problems prevalent in the society. Our country needs such students who have muscles of iron and nerves of steel. They should be able to dive deep into the secrets and mysteries of the universe. They should be determined to do their duty even at the risk of their own lives. Such students alone can help the nation in achieving prosperity and all round development. This was about the ideal student. I hope you all will like it. We all are the students and ideal students. Someone are ideal and someone's are not ideals. That was about an ideal student. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Khuda Hafiz.